Morning everyone, I am Samir from 9th class. I am going to tell about modal verbs. Modal verbs. Modal verbs. Modal verbs. In first one there is can. Can is a modal verb. The uses of can is to tell about ability, permission and request. Ability, permission and request. Ability, for example, ability means ability. He can find any street in London. It is the ability of that person to he can find any street in London. Next, permission. Permission means can I come in? It is someone asking permission to come in the room. Next, request. Can I take some water? Like that he is asking, he is requesting to someone. Next, could. The uses of could also same to can, but can tells about present. Can tells about present and could tells about past. The difference between the can and could is to tell it is present and past. The third one is may. May the uses of may is to tell about possibility. Possibility. It may rain. It may rain means it is possibility to the rainfall will come. Like that. Next one is might. Might, the uses of might is also similar to may, but may tells about 50% chances and might is 30% chances. The difference between the two is this. Next one we tell about must. Must means obligations. The uses of must is obligations. Compulsory. Must means you must be back at 8 o'clock. You must be back at 8 o'clock. It is compulsory that is someone saying to another one to you must be back at 8 o'clock. It is compulsory. Write that. Next, have to, need to. The uses of have to and need to are all the same to must. Next, should. Should is the uses of should are opinion or advice. Like example, advice, you should consult a doctor. Someone advising to consult doctor, you should consult doctor. Next, ought to. The uses of ought to is ought to also same like that, opinion or advice. Should, ought to are similar to each other. Next one shall. Shall tells about offers and the uses of shall are offers and shall offers and permission. Offers means shall I book a taxi? Some offering to book a taxi. Shall I book a taxi? Next one, will. The use of will, invitation and offers. Invitation and offers. Like invitation means will you come to my function, will you come to function, like that someone inviting to another to will you come to function. Next, would is to would, the use of would is would you help me. Next, user to. The uses of user to is repeated actions in the past. For example, when I was younger, I used it to play cricket. It is telling about past. Like that, these are the modal verbs. First one, can. Can is to tell about the user's ability, permission, request. Second one, could. The could is also similar, but can tell about present tense and could past tense. Like may, might. The uses of may and might are both, but the chances of may is 50% and might 30%. Like that, the uses of the modal verbs you can see in the word. It is the explanation of modal verbs. Thank you.